Neha, welcome to my channel Pooja Loves Drama. So today I am going to talk about second dongwa that I have watched. That's name is Perfect World, and so many people asked me about that also because in recent video I told you I am going to talk about Perfect World. It's ongoing right now, but I already watched 192 episodes and it's really great. Like yeah, if you are totally focused on a rom-com journey, then you can skip this dongwa because it's not about the love. It's about the journey of a person like who wants to gain immortality and who wants to find the different thing for cultivations. Like this world is literally different. Like there is lower realm, high realm and divine realm. Like the people who cultivate, they can get step by step different realms and different powers. That it is a really different world. Like also I have to take time to realize, to explore all the things that is happening in that world as well. But the journey of our Shihao is really great. Like his powers and his journey as a small like as a child to becoming a powerful god who is fearless, who don't like afraid from anyone. He is literally the great person, and he's going to become the strongest god as well. In this dongwa, we are going to see follow the journey of Shihao, who born with the supreme bone, and the supreme bone is a sign he will become the powerful god and he can get immortality, is the sign of that. And because of some issues, his parents left him at the home, and his auntie, like evil auntie, who like dig out his sperm bone to absorb to her son. So he lost his sperm bone in the childhood, and now his parents also left him in a village, stone village, that is like you can say is protected by a powerful god, you can say, that is you can say Liu god or willow deity also we say. So we will see his journey, how he will become powerful again with his cultivation, with his powers. Also his supreme bone that was lost, he that was also start born again. Like we are going to see so many things. Like his journey is really good and really emotional as well. He will meet 3 girls in his journey, so for every, like his connection is really good with every girl and like emotional as well. So we are going to see so many things. I can't explain everything in the word, but as Shihao, who will become the emperor of lower realm, you can say there will be 8 cases, and these people called sin, like their blood is called sin, who you can say the people who don't deserve to live a decent life, who don't deserve to be respected, so they are called sin. And our Shihao, who belongs to one of the sin family, so he will become the emperor of lower realm. His power is really great, and then he got killed also, but he will be revived again, and he will went to the high realm. High realm is that there you can find the powerful peoples, but there also some state, that is fire state and stone state. These called the sin family, they don't deserve anything according to the higher people. But our Shihao, who will kill so many powerful persons again and again, like in some task, like they have to complete some task to become powerful, to gain immortality. So see, he will do these things, but he also have some friends as well, and in his journey we are going to see so many things. Like this is really great journey. I can rewatch this dongwa again because of Shihao. Thing is that because he have 2 brother, one is cousin, one is his real brother. One cousin that is called Shi, who have his supreme bone, so they will fight. Like in the lower realm you will see they will fight, and she will lost, but he also have double eyed, so he is also a powerful person. In high realm they will meet again and they will become one. Like the 3 people of she family, or you can say the people who are cursed and who called the the lowly people sin family. So they will be together and they will fight with the higher people. So that was really great. Like the fight in this Dongwa you will see is really great, like the real fight you will see, because of their combat skills, because of their physique, because of the powers, like so many things. Because his body, Shihao body, you can say is the body you can't find anywhere in any realm, because he cultivate himself by burning himself, his body, his blood, like everything. So his method of immortality is really different from anyone, and he wants to find the new method of immortality, so people don't kill the weak people. Still ongoing right now, so I can't wait to watch the more episodes, because I badly wanted to watch him to becoming a god and to gain immortality and to be the most powerful person, because his journey is really good. You will cry as well. I cried as well at some moments, but this is really great and highly recommended to watch. Like if you love to watch Soul Land 2, or like there are so many Dongwa, I don't know about them, but yeah, I watched Soul Land 2 and Perfect World, and now I am going to watch Battle Through the Heavens, because so many people recommended me to watch this Dongwa. So next I am going to start this Dongwa, and then I will talk about this Dongwa as well. And yeah, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click on subscribe button, because I always talks about Korean, Chinese, Thai dramas and Dongwa as well. And if you love to watch my videos, don't forget to click on like button as well, and don't forget to tell me your view about Perfect World, and if you know anything that I don't know, you can tell me in the comment section. Good to know. And yeah, if you want to recommend me any Dongwa, then don't forget to write me on the comment section as well. Thank you so much for watching my video till now. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.